Good day everyone, you're welcome to today's class. Now today we want to examine addition and subtraction of surds. Now before we go into a typical example of today's class, now let me show us some things here. We have 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Now you will see that this and this are having the same root. So we can say 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Then we have root 5. But in a situation whereby the roots are not the same, now you will see that root 5 is what we have here and root 2 is what we have here. We cannot add them together. So if you have a question like this, or we arrive at the solution like this, then this will be our final answer, because we cannot add 2 root 5 to 3 root 2. Now let's now have an example on addition of surd. Let's say, for example, we have root 72 plus root 50. So how do we add these two together? Now, like I told us, we can use the straight method or the factor method. Now let's try the factor method. Now this root 72, we have 2 can go, will give us 36. And we know that 36 is a perfect square, so we can say we have root 36 times 2 plus root 50. If we use the same factor method, will give us 25 times 2. And from the law of multiplication, we can separate root 36 and root 2, plus we separate root 25 and root 2. So from here, root 36 will give us 6. Now 6 times root 2 will give us 6 root 2, plus root 25 will give us 5. 5 times root 2 will give us root 2, that's 5 root 2. 6 plus 5 will give us 11. Why are we adding? Because they have the same root. So we have 11 root 2. So this is our final answer. If what separates them is also minus, you do the same thing, and your final answer will become 6 minus 5 will give us root 2. So the same law for addition is what affects subtraction. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.